Hello, hello, it's Susan from Tamagems. Today I'm going to show you how to wire wrap a men's Larimar pendant. So let's get started. First you'll need 6 inches of 20 gauge wire. You'll need a Larimar pendant that's center drilled. So we're going to put it on, slide it through, come down about 2 inches, find the front of it. That looks good. Then you're going to hang on to it tight. Use your thumb to push the bottom wire back. Your thumb to push the wire up at the back. Hang on to it tight. Straighten out the top wire. Bring the back wire across the top. And wrap it around 2 times. 1, 2. So then you have something that looks like this. Then you're going to come in with your flush cutters. Give it a snip at the back. Tuck in your wire. Push the top wire back. Come in with your round nose pliers. Bring it up, over, down. Rotate your pliers. Bring your wire to the back and straighten out. Open the door. Slide out your pliers. Take your bail. Slide it through. Hang on to the loop that you just made with your pliers. Take your bent nose pliers and wrap. Okay, let's take a look and see what it looks like. So it looks like I can go down a little bit more. So I'm going to hang on to my loop again. Take my bent nose pliers. And I'm going to come around the bottom. Like that. Then I'm going to take my flush cutters. Cut the back off. Pinch it down. So you have something that looks like this. You can straighten this loop out. Take your pliers and bend it slightly so it's more even. And there you have your Larimar pendant. So this is the front, this is the back, or you can wear it either way. Sometimes I like to kink this part right here to make sure that it's tight, but it feels pretty secure. I don't think the Larimar is going to go anywhere. So let's put it on the chain. This is a 24-inch rope. So it's going to look like this. So there you have it. wire wrapped Larimar pendant, perfect for a name. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.